How to view settings on Roblox. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Roblox. Make sure you have logged into your account. Then, at the bottom right, click on More. After you've clicked on bottom right More, scroll down in here. Scroll down till you find Settings option. Click on Settings option, which is beside About, and you will find all your settings in here. You will be able to choose account info, security, privacy and content restrictions, parental control, payment method, subscription, notification, and device preferences. And this is how to view settings on Roblox. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.